everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy today because it's celebration time. A food page on Instagram, Dog the Awesome Cooking, completed 2 years, and for that in today's video we're gonna prepare a vanilla sponge cake with using pastel colors. So it would be a pastel color theme, and you can see how beautiful and cute this cake is looking, and same colors we will use in making sponge also. So without wasting any time, let's begin the recipe. But before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel below and hit the bell icon for future notifications. So let's get started. So let's prepare our dry mix first. For that you have to take whole wheat flour yani ki atta, or refined flour you can also take. Add baking powder and baking soda in it and keep it aside. Now in a bowl, take butter, add refined oil in it. After adding refined oil, you have to mix it with the butter. Then we'll add powdered sugar in it. Give it a mix. Now we'll add condensed milk in it. You can make condensed milk at home also. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes. The recipe is given in the I button. You can get it from there. Now after adding condensed milk, you have to mix it, and then we'll add yogurt in it. Add yogurt and mix it. So our wet mixture is ready. Just we need to add one more most important thing, that is vanilla essence. So after doing this, we're gonna add our dry ingredients in it. For that you have to take a strainer and sift the flour. Just add half of the flour and then we'll add milk in it. Here I'm trying to fold flour a little. अभी मैं इसमें मिल्क डाल रही हूँ, एंड आफ्टर एडिंग मिल्क हम इसमें बचा हुआ हाफ ड्राई मिक्सचर डाल देंगे. अब you have to mix it gently. Do not over mix it. Don't use whisk or something. I think nothing is better than using a spatula for folding the flour. So use spatula and fold flour. You only have to repeat cutful method and get this type of consistency, which is perfect for any cake batter. So now we're gonna divide in 5 equal portions and then use any 5 pastel colors. In my opinion, you should not use gel or liquid food colors for the pastel effect, because a little color would be enough for the pastel color, and a gel or food color can make it very dark, so don't use that. Now in a cake tin, align the butter paper and stick it with the help of batter only, and then start adding batter. Like take 1 tablespoon and add in it. To be honest, I have made a mistake here. What I have done is I have used a toothpick and mixed it a little so it can look like a marble cake, but that idea is not good for this pastel color, because the color will get together and it forms a new color which is not a kind of pastel color. So, and if you are using toothpick, then you should give it a little mix, not like I did. Pastel colors are very light and very delicate, so you have to handle it very carefully. Even after baking a darker shade cake ना, they also get changed after baking. So light colors में baking के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा change आता है. That's why I'm making you aware to not use toothpick as much as I did. And after finishing the batter, you have to tap it twice or thrice, and then we'll bake it. As I've already told you in my previous videos, that you have to use sand or salt in a pan, preheat for 10 minutes, and then bake your cake for 30 minutes on medium flame. After baking it, just check it with toothpick for the sponge. जब cake perfectly bake हो जाए, after that you have to take it out, keep it aside for some time, cool it down, and do not remove butter paper instantly. Now we'll whip cream for icing. For that you have to take ice in a container, take a bowl, add cream in it and keep it on the ice. Start whipping it. After getting this consistency, you have to stop whipping it and your whipped cream is ready for the icing. For the icing you can add some food colors in it And now we'll remove the butter paper. Let's cut it into two parts. So use a big knife for that, or else you can use a thread also. So have we done with cutting. Now on a cake board, just take a little whipped cream, spread on it, and then we're gonna take one portion of cake, adding sugar syrup to make it moist, and then we'll give a layer of whipped cream in between the sponge. So just take whipped cream and spread it. You can use a palette knife or spatula, or a knife also you can use for the icing. Now put the second layer on top. Add sugar syrup, and then we'll start icing. So here what you have to do is, for the icing you have to take whipped cream part by part and do it according to your comfort. You can use a spatula, that would be a great option for the icing, and cover it with the whipped cream. So when you feel that you're done with basic icing, after that you have to mix food color with whipped cream, and with the help of star nozzle in different sizes you have to make such designs as I did on the cake. After that you have to take chocolate ganache, white chocolate ganache. In that you have to add pastel colors and just give it a side pouring effects as I did. Just pour ganache on the edges. Use dark chocolate for making eyelids so it can relate to unicorn. After that your pastel color themed cake will be ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a like, share with everyone, and do try this recipe at home. Also subscribe my channel for more such videos. See you in the next video.